Hello YouTube and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video I'm going to be blowing out my hair once again. But I actually have to be somewhere today. Y'all, I know every time I come on this camera now it's like I'm rushing to get a video out or get my hair done or something to that nature, but it's a quick and simple style. I've seen it a couple of times on my social medias and I'm excited to do this hairstyle. So first and foremost, I have to go through and blow dry my hair, and of course I'm going to be using my heat primer by Pantene, and then I'm going to go in with my Tresemme gloss just to top it off and add a little bit of shine. Today I'm going to be using my Tymo Air Hype Light blow dryer to complete this blowout today. My hair is washed, conditioned, and tangled, so I can't procrastinate. I'm going to go ahead and get right into it. And because I am blowing my hair out, I'm not going to be silk pressing it or anything. I do have to put a little bit of heat at the end once I get to a certain part of the style, but for the most part I will not be applying any more heat besides blowing it out. So let's get started. The dryer is so powerful. I just want to let that be known. Is this center? I don't think so, y'all. Okay, so just for example, this is what I'm going to be doing as far as my hairstyle today. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. It is a little warm and humid down here in the south today, so I don't really want to keep my hair out. It's cute nonetheless. So from this point, I'm just going to have to do a voiceover because my toddler was screaming to the top of her lungs and I need to get this done. So pretty much I'm just going to be braiding my hair back or cornrowing it back very loosely so I can be able to separate the actual hair. And at this point, I kind of got confused as to how she took out those pieces, but she just ended up doing like a tree braid where you pull out pieces, single strands, and use that as your little bang pieces. So I tried to keep the braid as loose as possible. It looked a little wonky to me, but then it came out kind of cute, so I just went with it. And with the side piece, I just took that out prior to even braiding, and that's why I have that clip hanging from it so that it can be pre-separated. And the back of the braid was beautiful. I can't even lie. So instead of parting all the way from the front to the back, I just stopped at the actual part where you can see, and then pretty much just grab the hair from the back as needed so that once I get ready to cross them over, you won't see that line of demarcation from the parting. And so right here, I was just saying that I'm going to do the same thing on the other side and how that I didn't want to make the braids too tight so I can be able to fray them out or pull them out so it can be a little fluffy like, just so it can give some density or volume to the braid so it's not like a cornrow so tight to the head, I guess. I don't know, y'all. Y'all see what I'm trying to do. Okay? Disregard the little edges. Y'all know I'm struggling on that front, but once I got to slick it back with a little bit of braiding gel, they came out very nice and sleek, and it just tied the entire hairstyle together. I don't know what that was just now, but it just tied the whole entire hairstyle together, and it came out really, really nice. Instead of doing the what is it, the flat iron, I end up using my wand curler. Y'all, I have not used my wand curler in so many years. I didn't even know if it still worked. And then once I did get it, I was a little nervous because I was like, this thing is really packing some heat. I thought I was gonna burn my little hell, but it came out nice, y'all. So y'all, as I'm combing this and as I'm actually watching my own footage, can y'all see how my edges be playing tricks on me? Because it looked like I have no hair there. Like I'm literally struggling. But then once I go and put the braiding gel on it, this is not colored braiding gel or nothing like that. Then you can see my hairs. Like, what's that about? So as I always say, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time.